Hello, professional U-matic video equipment gives much better results when connected up with these special dub connectors to a digital time-based corrector like this, but you can't get hold of one of the connectors you need, and on a video recently I made one of those up. Let's now make up the finished cable. Rather than testing it with an actual U-matic video recorder, we're going from this time-based corrector dub out to this time-based corrector dub in, and don't forget to also connect composite video, or you won't get colour because it needs a colour burst signal from that. I just went to test my new dub cables using the output of one time-based corrector into the input of the other, and before I managed to test it, I got a horrendous burning smell. So something has gone seriously wrong here. I was looking around here for what may have gone, and this looks a bit distressed over here. You can see sort of burn marks on this IC, and this is a tantalum capacitor, I think, that's probably gone short circuit and was taking the full load of the power supply. So hopefully, if I replace that, we'll be in business. Okay, I've replaced this capacitor here. It's just 100 nanofarad decoupling, nothing fancy about it, but that went up in smoke. Let's keep the lid off for a minute. When I power this on, I'm going to be looking for smoke. Let's power it up now. Everything looks okay. Right, we can go back to testing our dub cable. That's working because the test mode I select on this lower unit is coming through on the top unit, and it's using the input, which is dub. If you disconnect the composite video signal, then it drops to black and white. It needs a composite video signal as well as a dub connection.